everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can attach a ring to your macrame projects to make the perfect circles. Let's get started. Take your ring and place it directly in front of your cords. I'm going to attach the two middle cords to my ring first. So starting with the first cord here, I'm going to pull it through the ring, twist it up so that we kind of form a loop here with our rope. Then I'm going to send it behind the ring and pull it through that loop. Pull it tight. Your first knot here is going to be the most tricky because we also have to hold our ring into place. So then once you tie that first knot, take the same cord, twist it up over your ring again to form that loop with your rope. Then send the end behind the ring and pull it through the loop. Pull it tight. We just formed a double half hitch knot. Okay, and now the rest of our knots are going to be able to tie a little easier because now our ring is held into place for us. So take that next middle cord, pull it through the ring again, twist it up so that you form that loop with the rope, then send the end behind the ring and pull it through the loop. Pull it tight. Take the same cord back over the ring to form your loop, twist it behind the ring and pull it through the loop. Pull it tight. Okay, and then I kind of like to just pinch the ropes together before I move on to my next cords. So now I'm just going to go on this end and work on this next cord. So I pulled it through my ring, now I'm twisting it up. So I form a loop, send it around the ring, and pull it through the loop. Take that same cord back over the ring to form your loop, twist it around, and pull it through. Just like that. So now we have covered the top half of our ring. Now it's time to work on covering the remaining part of our ring. So push all of your cords back behind the ring. We're going to take the cord on the very far left first and tie it around the side of our ring using another double half hitch knot like we did before. Now take that same cord and tie another set of double half hitch knots right after what we just tied. We're going to take the cord here on the very far right and just repeat the same steps we just did on the left. So tie 2 double half hitch knots. That's 1 double half hitch knot, so now tie a second. Now we're going to work on connecting the remaining section of our ring with the last 4 cords. So I'm just going to start with the cord on the left and attach it with another double half hitch knot like we have been doing. I just kind of like to spread my ropes back out a little bit just to cover the ring completely. And there we go. This is how you can connect a ring into your macrame projects using double half hitch knots. This is a great way that you can make the perfect circles in your projects and add really cool design elements. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.